Konnichiwa everyone, this is Nodoka from Artec, the mommy scientist, and today I would like to show you the Mini Centrifuge kit from our Hands-On Lab series. Now, as you all know, the Hands-On Lab series consists of 84 products in total and was developed by researching textbooks from all over the world. This kit won the Preferred Choice Award from the Creative Child Magazine Awards back in 2014. This item is super cool. It allows you to separate everyday liquids such as yogurt and dressing and vegetable juice, just like they do in actual science labs. So let's see what's in the box. So in the box we have one main body, a cover, a rotor, 6 pieces of tubes, and a study guide. From home you would need 2 AA batteries and any kind of specimen such as dressing, orange juice, yogurt, milk, vegetable juice, or coffee flavored milk. Anything in the list is okay to start your experiment with. For safety reasons, the built-in motor will not turn until the lid is completely closed. So what exactly is a centrifuge? Centrifuges are used to separate mixed substances. Another way to separate mixed substances is by using a filter. Filtration and centrifugal separation are both useful methods used in many situations from everyday life to scientific research. And today I will be showing you how centrifugal separation works. First, get your specimen ready. It is essential to add the same amount of liquid to each tube. In case the amount of liquids was different, the balance would be lost and the centrifuge would not spin well. Today I will be testing my favorite orange juice and yogurt at the same time. When you are testing 2 test tubes, place them like this to keep balance. When you are testing 4 test tubes like me today, place all of them in the holes. If you only decide to test 1, add the same amount of water to another test tube and rotate them together to keep the balance. Now rotate them for about 10 minutes. As you can see, the orange juice was separated into liquid and pulp. This orange juice liquid contains a great deal of nutrients such as vitamin C and potassium. Now yogurt was separated into whey, the milk serum, and curd, a solid content. Milk serum is rich in protein, minerals, and vitamins. Curd is solid material remains after removing the water content from milk. Curd is full of fat and proteins. So how did this separation all happen? Let me explain the science to you. So according to the textbook, a rotating object is subjected to the power of centrifugal force, which pushes outward from the center of rotation. The faster the rotation, the stronger this power becomes. In centrifugal separation, a force between several hundred to several thousand times the strength of Earth's gravity is applied to the tubes. This force quickly separates heavier materials from lighter ones. For example, this method is used in butter manufacturing or blood tests. Centrifugal separation is used to extract cream, a material used to make butter, from raw milk. And for blood tests, centrifugal separation is used to extract serum. Let's check out the results of the other tests. Dressing was separated into oil, vinegar, and other substances and other solid materials such as sesame seeds. Milk was separated into fat and skim milk. Coffee flavored milk was separated into milk components, water contents, and coffee. Explore the Mini Centrifuge kit from our Hands-On Lab series for other exciting experiments and find out what other liquids around you consists of. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in our next video. Bye!